Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix Windows automatically shutting down problem. First method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type power CFG space, minus restore default schemes. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type msdt.exe space, minus id space, power diagnostic. Third method is click Start, Settings, System, Power. Screen and sleep timeouts, change settings to never. Fourth method is update Windows. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.